Well, she's 1/4 ready for final coat. Just need to get rid of all the imperfections, which I've done on that side. Still need to do the engine bay, tailgate, and the passenger side. Long way to go. So what we're doing today is we're shaping the back panel I made to suit the tailgate. So it's all pretty nice here. We've already tapped that corner in to make it suit. The body lines on this are even, but then we come to the passenger side and you can see it's about 5mm there, but then you come to the top and it's almost 10. What we're going to try and do is we're going to try and pull this side in, because I highly doubt that the tailgate has been shaped crooked when it fits perfectly on that side, but it fits like shit on this side. So we're going to try and pull that in just ever so slightly and see if it fixes the problem. So I think that's done the trick. So we're going almost spot on there. On the passenger side. And it's 5mm. It's obviously still a little bit, but it's not as bad as what it was. It's almost spot on if you look at it from back here. So just more bodywork now. Almost looking pretty good for a handmade panel. So what we're going to do is we're going to get all these imperfections now. it'll come down and look really good once it's sanded. But just to reiterate, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm learning while I'm doing this. I'm a Sparky. I'm just trying to make it look good with what I have and with the amount of funds I have.